sir. I'm Micah Siapsi. I'm from San Jose, Taliban, Bohol. I'm 19 years old. I've been working in customer service for over 5 years now, primarily in retail and call center environments. I've always enjoyed interacting with people and finding solutions to their problems. I'm a strong communicator and have a knack for de-escalating tense situations. I'm also proficient in using customer service and software and databases to deal with difficult customer who extremely upset about a delayed order. They were raising their voice and using disrespectful language. Instead of getting defensive, I listened patiently to their concerns and apologized for the inconvenience. I assured them that I would be everything in my power to resolve the issues promptly. I then isolated the matter to my supervisor and kept the customer updated on the progress. By remaining calm and empathetic, I was able to escalate the situation and maintain positive customer experience. Thank you, sir.